Did you know your car has secret features that 97% of drivers never discover? I'm about to reveal 13 hidden car features that will blow your mind and make you wonder how you ever drove without knowing them. Stick around, because number 13 will change how you park forever. Secret number 1, the hidden fuel gauge indicator. Let's start with something that'll make you feel silly you never noticed. Look at your fuel gauge right now. See that little arrow next to the gas pump icon? That arrow tells you which side of your car the gas tank is on. No more awkward gas station dance trying to remember which side to pull up to. This simple feature has been saving rental car drivers embarrassment for decades. But here's what most people don't know. If there's no arrow, look at which side of the fuel pump icon the handle is on in your gauge cluster. That's your side. You'll never pull up to the wrong side of a gas pump again. Secret number 2, the window memory reset procedure. Here's one that even some mechanics don't know. If you've ever disconnected your car battery and noticed your windows acting weird afterward, going down but not fully up, or not responding to one-touch operation, there's a reset procedure. Hold the window switch up for 5 seconds after the window is fully closed. This recalibrates the window's auto-up memory and restores full one-touch functionality. Some luxury vehicles require you to hold the switch down for 5 seconds first, then up for 5 seconds. This simple reset can save you a $200 dealership visit. Secret number 3, the hidden tool storage compartment. Your spare tire isn't the only thing hiding in your trunk. Most cars have a secret compartment where all your tire changing tools live. Look for a small handle, tab, or carpeted section that looks different from the rest. Inside, you'll find your jack, lug wrench, tow hooks, and sometimes even emergency triangles. Knowing this can turn a roadside disaster into a 20-minute fix. But here's the pro tip. Check this compartment regularly, because some thieves specifically target these hidden tool compartments since most owners never check them. Secret number 4, the remote window control feature. This one's huge for preventing lockouts. Many cars have a hidden feature where if you hold the unlock button on your key fob for 3 to 5 seconds, all windows will roll down automatically. Perfect for cooling down a hot car before you get in. Some cars even do the reverse. Hold the lock button and all windows go up. Plus, the sunroof closes if you have one. This feature works on most European cars and many American vehicles made after 2010. Test this in your driveway first, because some cars require you to hold it for up to 10 seconds. Secret number 5, the emergency trunk release system. Every modern car manufactured after September 2001 has a life-saving feature that most people pray they'll never need. Inside your trunk, there's a glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle or button. If someone ever gets trapped in a trunk, this handle opens it from the inside no matter what. It's usually bright yellow, green, or orange and positioned near the trunk latch mechanism. Make sure your entire family knows where this is. Some handles glow for up to 8 hours after being exposed to light, while electronic releases have backup power that works even if the car battery is dead. Secret number 6, the automatic headlight cleaning mode. If your car has automatic headlights, try this amazing feature. Turn your headlights to the automatic position, then use your windshield washer fluid. On many vehicles, especially European brands, the headlight washers will activate automatically after every 3rd or 4th windshield wash cycle. This keeps your headlights clean and bright, which is crucial for night visibility. Clean headlights can improve your visibility by up to 40%. Some cars will also activate the headlight washers when you first start the car if the headlights are dirty. Secret number 7, the lane change signal technique. Most people use their turn signals completely wrong. Instead of pushing the lever all the way down for a quick lane change, just lightly tap it halfway down or up. This gives you exactly 3 blinks, perfect for lane changes. It won't stay on and annoy other drivers, and you don't have to manually turn it off. This feature has been around since the early 2000s, but surveys show less than 20% of drivers actually use it correctly. The 3-blink feature is specifically designed for lane changes, while the full engagement is for turns. Secret number 8, the child lock emergency override. Parents, this one's for you. If your child locks are activated, but you need to let someone out in an emergency, there's often a secret override that doesn't require you to get out of the car. From the inside of the locked door, pull the interior door handle while simultaneously pulling the window switch up and holding it for 3 seconds. This temporarily overrides the child lock on most vehicles made after 2008. Always test this when your car is parked and safe. This override exists because of safety regulations requiring emergency egress from all seating positions. Secret number 9, the memory seat, quick access method. If your car has memory seats, you don't need to hold those buttons forever waiting for the seat to move. Here's the quick method. Press and hold the set button for 2 seconds, then quickly press your memory number while still holding set. But here's the secret most people miss. To instantly go to your saved position without getting in the car, press the unlock button on your key fob twice within 3 seconds, then immediately press your memory number on the door panel. The seat will move to your position before you even open the door. Secret number 10, the hidden storage compartments. Your car has secret storage spots you've never found. Check behind your glove box. Many cars have a hidden compartment accessible by removing the glove box entirely. It just pulls straight out after opening. Look under your driver's seat for a slide-out drawer. It's usually on the right side. Some cars have storage in the center console armrest that opens from the back instead of the top. SUV owners, check for storage compartments built into your floor, especially under removable panels. These hidden compartments are perfect for storing valuables because thieves rarely know about them. Secret number 11, the high beam. Sensitivity control. If your car has automatic high beams, here's a feature most people don't know exists. When someone's approaching, your car will automatically dim your high beams, then turn them back on after they pass. But you can make this system more sensitive or less sensitive by adjusting the setting in your car's computer menu. Look for light sensitivity, auto high beam sensitivity, or lighting preferences in your infotainment settings. If you live in a well-lit city, increase the sensitivity so the high beams stay off more often. If you drive rural roads, decrease it so you get maximum lighting. Secret number 12, the hill hold brake assist. This feature can prevent dangerous rollbacks on hills and save your transmission from unnecessary wear. Many cars have an automatic hill hold feature that most people never activate. When you're stopped on an incline with your foot on the brake, press the brake pedal hard and hold it for about 3 seconds until you see a hill hold indicator light on your dashboard. The car will then hold the brakes automatically for up to 3 seconds when you lift your foot, giving you time to move to the gas pedal without rolling backward. This prevents that scary moment and that transmission-damaging rollback. Secret number 13, the invisible parking guide system. Here's the game changer I promise that will revolutionize your parking forever. Most cars have invisible parking guides built right into your side mirrors, and 90% of drivers never learn how to use them properly. When backing up, look at your side mirrors and you'll see small lines markings, or even LED indicators. These aren't decoration, they're precision parking guides. The lines show you exactly where your car will go based on your current steering wheel position. The outer line typically shows where your rear wheel will track, while the inner line shows your car's body path. Some luxury cars even have dynamic guidelines that curve as you turn the steering wheel. Master this system and you'll park perfectly in tight spots every single time. I guarantee at least 5 of these features just blew your mind. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know which feature you're going to try first. And if you discovered something new about your car that you've owned for years, smash that like button because it helps other drivers discover these incredible hidden features. If you want to discover more hidden features that can save you thousands in mechanic bills and make you a better driver, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell.